with Nate Larsen, weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
Welcome back. Now, we've heard a lot about April showers, Nate, but we're almost halfway through May, and we're seeing, at least in parts of northern Utah, some May showers today.
Oh, yeah. Nice to see a little bit of thunderstorm activity out there. It's springtime, but yeah, we're seeing a little bit of what we call monsoon moisture, so moisture being swept up from the southeast of us thanks to a low pressure system that's retrograding northwest. We've even had some darker clouds at times here in southern Utah. This is a look at the Southern Utah University camera network showing off St. George, some of the red rock there at the bottom of the screen. You can see some of those towering clouds off to the left-hand side of the screen. High temperatures today, 85 in St. George, 67 Cedar City we've hit so far, 76 Salt Lake, much cooler than that now, 62 thanks to the showers that have rolled through, 70 Logan, Provo's hit 68, 70 in Vernal, 54 in Rock Springs. A look across the east central part of the state, Moab, Red Cliffs Lodge along the river there, beautiful conditions. We've had some clouds roll through there. Speaking of rivers, there are still some flood-related alerts in place. Flood warnings for the Bear River below Woodruff Narrows, Sevier River near Hatch and Ogden River. So similar areas to where we've been seeing the increased river flows thanks to runoff and the release from some of the reservoirs. Flood watch for the Little Bear River near Cache Valley below Hiram Reservoir, Weber River out near Plain Center, so that's the lower Weber River, and flood advisories for Bear River near Corinne, Blacksmith Fork near Hiram. So all those areas still seeing minor impacts for flooding as the water's just kind of raging out. Their winds are going to be whipping out there later this evening and into Sunday morning. So if you've got unsecure objects across northern Utah, the Wasatch Front, Cache County, make sure you hunker those down, bring them inside because we've got wind advisories in place. We'll show you those coming up. Wind speeds 24-mile-per-hour winds in St. George, Milford 23, 13-mile-per-hour winds in Salt Lake. Here comes the wind. So with an area of low pressure off to the northwest of us, it's going to bring counterclockwise rotation, hence some easterly winds coming across the mountain ranges. We'll see some downsloping winds, and so stronger winds expected tonight. Again, mainly Cache Valley, and then again portions of the Wasatch Front, mainly north of Salt Lake, expecting some of the strongest winds. They'll taper off into tomorrow, late morning by noon. The alerts are set to expire there. In fact, when we get some of the alerts to pop up for you, we'll show you that high wind warning is in place for Cache County. Again, 25 to 35-mile-per-hour winds. Gusts could be as strong as 60 miles an hour. Could see gusts up to 45 miles per hour from, again, roughly Davis County and north into portions of Box Elder County. As far as any precipitation goes, again, we're still watching for some scattered showers and storms to continue. Watch that rotation from the counterclockwise rotation, at least on the left side of the screen, pulling up moisture from the south. And so active weather is going to be sticking around for now. In fact, thunderstorm outlook for Sunday has, again, all of Utah and in risk of seeing thunder showers out there tomorrow. So we'll have those in the mix for Mother's Day. 77 for the high, so similar temperatures in Salt Lake to where we are today. A little warmer in St. George, about 90, 80 in Lake Powell. St. George goes to 92 on Monday. Breezy winds mainly tomorrow, maybe a slight chance for Mom's Day. Otherwise, sunshine Monday. We're going to see more moisture come up from the south, generating a slight chance of showers and storms throughout much of the week. Next week, temperatures are kind of hot, though. 93 on Tuesday. We're staying in the low 90s through the end of the week. Still a slight chance on Saturday. The Wasatch Front, showers and thunderstorms expected. They'll be scattered in nature on Mom's Day. 77 tomorrow. Plan on windy conditions. Low 80s on Monday. 83 on Tuesday. So we were up as well, about 10 degrees above normal. Could have a slight chance, just a very small chance. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm going with mostly sunny skies. If we get a stray storm, we'll see some clouds increase for a time. Otherwise, 80s into the weekend. Still a slight chance of rain on Saturday, mid-80s for highs.